Today, we're going to show you 8 of the most useful kitchen hacks, like separating an egg yolk with a bottle, cleaning a dirty blender without touching it, cutting onions without crying, and many more. Let's get into it. First up, if your kitchen knives feel dull but you don't have a sharpener, you can fix that in under a minute. Just flip a ceramic cup upside down, sprinkle a little salt on the unglazed rim, and run the knife back and forth at about a 30-degree angle. Simple, quick, and surprisingly effective. Now that your knife is sharp, let's move on to something almost everyone struggles with: separating egg yolks. Instead of juggling shells, grab a plastic bottle. Crack the egg over in a container. Squeeze the bottle a bit and put the mouth near the yolk. Once you release the squeeze, the air sucks in the yolk instantly, staying perfectly intact. No mess, no stress. Limes produce that spoils too quickly. With this trick, limes can last up to 2 extra weeks if you wrap each one in a paper towel before refrigerating them. The towel absorbs excess moisture, slows mold growth, and keeps them juicy. Of course, after cooking comes cleanup. And this next trick saves serious time. If your blender is caked with residue, don't scrub it. Just add warm water and a few drops of dish soap, turn it on for a minute, and let the blades do the cleaning for you. Keeping things clean also means keeping pests away. If ants keep finding their way into your sugar, drop a few cloves into the container. Their strong aroma repels insects naturally without affecting the taste. When a can's pull tab breaks or hurts your fingers, opening it becomes frustrating. Slide a spoon under the tab and gently lift. The pressure spreads evenly, letting you open the can easily without pain or damage. Now back to prep, specifically onions. To avoid tears while chopping, cut the onion in half and submerge it in water for about 15 seconds before slicing. This reduces the sulfur compounds that irritate your eyes. And even after the tears are gone, that onion smell loves to stick to your hands. To remove it, rub half a potato salt onto hands for a few seconds. The odor fades almost instantly. Which one are you trying first? Tell me in the comments.